Good afternoon. There we go. That's better. Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. It's actually like 3:35 in the afternoon. I'm a little late on starting the vlog. I've been up since 6:45 this morning. It was my turn to host a work Zoom call, and I thought they were supposed to start at 7, so I started one, and no one got on. Come to find out at 7:30 that they were supposed to be at 8. So I stayed up, created another Zoom call, and only one person got on that one. And I was on that one for like 25 minutes. And then I ended up coming back to bed at like 9 something and falling asleep until 12. Got up, had lunch. We had some toasted cheese ravioli and watched Lethal Weapon. I got a Scentsy package in the mail, which I'll show you that here in a second. And I've just been watching TikToks and talking to my friend Crystal. We have an exciting Friday the 13th live going on tonight for the group page, so we've been promoting the group page for that. So what I got from Scentsy, I ordered from my friend Haley. I'll put her link down below. They had a 3 for $8 deal for fresheners. So I got apple butter frosting, which this one smells really, really good. I don't understand what's not in focus, but it's like a brownish orange color. Which I'm going to use this one first because I guess it already got hot in the package or something. And like the plastic is like yellowish, so I don't know. Let's see if I can. But anyway, this one smells really good. I'm going to use this one first. Apple butter frosting. And then we have Amazon Rain. Amazon Rain. The one thing I don't like, I can't smell it through the packaging, and I don't want to open it because I'm not using it just yet. And it's like a green color. And then we have Around the Campfire, which is just gray, and it has logs and a fire like on the freshener. Super cute. The apple butter has like a icing type of design on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. And the rainforest has like a chevron top type. So I got these 3 little baddies. I've never used their air fresheners before, so like I said, I'm gonna use the apple butter first. So when I go get in my car, I'll just put this one in. This smells so good. So anyway, I need to get dressed, get out of these pajamas, because I feel like I could be a little bit more productive if I got dressed. I mean, I've gotten a lot done today. I've sent out messages. I've been uploading on my Instagram story. I posted a TikTok. Yeah. So I'm gonna do like interaction posts with you guys, like I do like on my Instagram and stuff, and Facebook. So today we're gonna do, does ketchup belong on mac and cheese? In my opinion, yes, it does. So let me know your guys' opinions on that. So anyway, now it's time to get dressed. I'm off work. Today's the 13th. I don't go back till the 23rd. I'm excited. So yeah. We don't really have anything planned for today. I'm just getting dressed so we can go into so I can go into town and turn in a scratch off. because they were given to us, so we got more, and then I ended up winning $5 on one, and I turned it all in. Didn't win nothing. So yesterday I bought another two. My husband didn't win one. I won a free ticket, so we're gonna go with a free ticket. So fingers crossed we win $20. I'm also waiting on my friend Rhonda to get off work, because she's supposed to be signing today, so I'm excited for her. And yeah, I already got my shorts here. I'm just wearing these ones from Maurice's. And I got my bra. So I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll just show you guys in a minute.
To drop off my certificate, so I'm now an incorporated business, and I need, which means I can like hire people and stuff, which means I need to go and send this to my business lawyer. And then what else do I have to?
Hi vlog. So I have you guys with like a magnet on my little thingy. So I'm gonna try to like drive a little bit to see how well it does. If not, I will get a car. Tripod. Oh. I'm gonna take like back roads home. It's really shaky. This is just a test run though. I really need to clean my glasses, but it's whatever. I did just get done filming that video too, so I did like a little favorite songs at the moment. I knew it was going to flop over because that's what it was doing a while ago. It's like so heavy. Maybe I can put the magnet in a different spot. Maybe. Hi guys. It is 6:20. No. 6:36. Came home. I've been on our live pretty much this whole time. But anyway, I ate some saltine crackers because I was hungry. I didn't want on the scratch off, but I'm going to go clean up my car. I'll show you like before and afters. But yeah, so that's it. Okay, so this is just the front. So the front's done. I just gotta wipe everything down and vacuum. Back here, I already picked up some things. Over there is like just a tag, and then this stuff. And then in the trunk, I just had a receipt, which is right there. And then back here, I just have a glove, and some more tags. So yeah, all I really gotta do is just wipe everything down and vacuum. Especially over there. And that seat. But the husband, he has the vacuum. First time vlog. Come on. This camera makes the grass look really, really green. It's like super overcast as well. Looks like it can honestly rain in like any minute. So yeah, I'll just chat with you guys when he's done vacuuming so I can wipe stuff down. Hey guys, it is 9:52 in the morning. I didn't finish the vlog yesterday. I literally was on the Zoom call and then I went live and then on the group TikTok and then I made the bed, ate supper, I took a shower, went to bed. So here we are. I've been up since like 8:25. I got on another work Zoom call and then I edited and uploaded today's video because I forgot all about it. Got it scheduled for upload, just finished the thumbnail. I'm trying to find it. The thumbnail. I did it what's on my iPad. So anyway, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and go lay down for a little bit because I'm still tired. So I'll just chat with you guys later. Hi guys, it is now 12:55 and basically after I talked to you guys, my hair is getting so long. Like last I remembered it was like maybe here-ish. Anyway, after I talked to you, I lay down in bed. I slept for maybe 45-ish minutes. And as you can still tell in my voice, I'm still super tired. But my bladder woke me up. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna warm up some food. Well, I already did warm it up. I just gotta make sure it's warm, which I'll bring you just along with me. I'm just pretty much having leftover pizza from yesterday because why not? I was gonna have SpaghettiOs, but it feels warm enough. The only thing I hate about Emo's pizza, look. Look how greasy it is. Anyway, I was watching my friend, not my friend, well, she's another girl on the business, with the business. I've talked to her a little bit on Instagram, but she was on a work Zoom a while back. Sorry, that's probably really, really loud. This is my lunch. Anyway, I was just on her live, chat with her for a little bit, which she's still live, I think. But I was like, I need to hop off and because I was watching YouTube and then I got the notification she was live, so I was like, I'll just hop on for a few minutes. So now it's a weird holding my camera because I have the magnet at the bottom for my car. Ugh, which will come off. So anyway, I was watching Carly's YouTube channel because I'm like, I have like 20 something more episodes left to, not episodes, videos to watch. So I'm just gonna chill here, eat some pizza, drink some water. I weighed myself this morning, like literally just like 5 minutes ago before I picked the vlog. 286.6. Yeah, not my proudest moment, but it's okay. I'm trying to get caught up on all my YouTube videos because I just need to. So, anyway, I'm gonna watch this. The video, I don't remember when it's from. 4 months ago. So, I'll tell you after the freaking ad's over. March 26th. So, I'm just gonna watch this and I'll chat with you guys later. Hey guys. It is now 2:55. I ate lunch, I ate the pizza, and then my husband's mom went and picked us up food, so I had Taco Bell. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna get dressed. Because I know if I stay in my pajamas, I'm not gonna be productive. So, I need to change that. So, I'm just wearing these shorts from Target. And then this shirt from Shein. So we're gonna put this on, which I'm not wearing a tank top under this shirt today. So let's get dressed. I'm dressed. I got my pajamas picked out for tonight. Just these beige and white shorts from Walmart. And then this zodiac sign cat nightgowns from Walmart. So, I'm gonna put that in the bathroom. And then I might do my makeup. I don't know. We got like 16 minutes of our show left that we're gonna watch, and then I need to clean. So talk to you guys in a bit. Good afternoon vlog. So I didn't vlog at all yesterday. It is currently 12:18, August 16th. Man, this month is going by so fast. Right here, there we go. I'm actually about to go live and do my makeup on live, so, oh, but anyway, I didn't film at all yesterday because, one, didn't do nothing. We went to Walmart and that's about it. Basically, I left the TikTok body positivity group. I'm not gonna go into too much detail about all of that. Basically, I had posted that morning, and then I fell back asleep, so a few hours later, our account got banned, permanently banned, and we've been working on that group since April, and it just got permanently banned. So now they're trying to grow our backup account, the backup account, and they've already gotten 100 followers. But I'm really gonna say about the situation. Am I gonna be joining another one? Not right now. There's been talk about possibly making one with Crystal. I'm not sure. It's not gonna be right now though. Like, my mental health right now is way more important. Which was the main reason why I decided to leave after, one of the main reasons why I decided to leave after our account got banned. I saw what happened yesterday. That's why I did not vlog at all. And I talked to my friend Ashley because we're possibly meeting up this week. I'm so excited. She was also in the group account. She stayed a little bit after I left, and then that video was posted and she left. So, ouch. and they changed a group account. So in all my other videos that I promote their accounts, don't feel obligated to follow them, but don't go leaving them hates either. Don't get me wrong, I still like some of the girls in the group, but it's not worth all the drama in my opinion anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup because I didn't do that all yesterday. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna eat some lunch, and then see if my mom's ready because I'm taking her to Walmart to go get us some snacks and drinks for Wednesday. So anyway, I'll just chat with you guys later.